Hello, and welcome to the ARBI.CITY newsroom. By now, many of you have heard of ChatGPT, a new chatbot from OpenAI with impressive knowledge and communication skills. ChatGPT and similar chatbots have been getting so good that they are beginning to disrupt how exams are taken in universities and how many businesses generate content. Today, we have an animated version of ChatGPT in our virtual studio to illustrate how the AI handles topics about international arbitration. What you are about to see is part of a real conversation transcript with ChatGPT, which is read out by a digital avatar we created using another AI tool. So, without further ado, ChatGPT, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. I am ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI. I have been trained on a diverse range of texts from the internet to assist with answering questions and providing information on a wide range of topics.
Can you write a sample introduction to a brief arguing that a gold mining investment by Digger Inc. has been unlawfully expropriated by the state of Ruritania?
Introduction. The purpose of this brief is to argue that a gold mining investment made by Digger Inc. has been unlawfully expropriated in violation of international law. The investment was made in year when Digger Inc. entered into a joint venture agreement with the government of Ruritania to develop a gold mine located in mine location. Under the terms of the agreement, Digger Inc. was to provide the necessary capital, expertise, and equipment for the mining operation, while the government of Ruritania was to grant the necessary permits and provide support services. However, in year, the government of Ruritania abruptly terminated the agreement and took over the mining operation, claiming that it was in the national interest. Digger Inc. was not provided with any prior notice or just compensation for its investment, which was estimated to be worth investment value.
What factual witness evidence could be helpful to Ruritania in its defense?
The following factual witnesses' evidence could be helpful to Ruritania in supporting its case. Government officials. Government officials, such as ministers and regulators, who were involved in the decision to take over the gold mine and who could provide testimony on the reasoning behind the action and the measures taken to comply with domestic law and regulations. Environmental inspectors. Environmental inspectors who conducted the assessments of the gold mine and who could provide testimony on the environmental concerns and the measures taken to address them. Valuation experts. Valuation experts who conducted the valuation of the gold mine and who could provide testimony on the compensation paid to Digger Inc. These witnesses would provide valuable testimony on the relevant facts of the case and could help to establish the government of Ruritania's position that the takeover was necessary, lawful, and in accordance with international standards.
Wow, that's very impressive. Do you think AI will soon replace our jobs as arbitration practitioners?
As a language model AI, I do not have the ability to have a personal opinion, but I can tell you that while AI technology is advancing rapidly, it is unlikely that it will replace the role of arbitration practitioners in the near future. Arbitration is a complex and nuanced process that involves a wide range of legal, factual, and strategic considerations. While AI technology can assist practitioners in certain tasks, such as document review and analysis, it is unlikely that it will be able to fully replace the expertise and experience of human practitioners in the near future. AI can be a useful tool for practitioners, allowing them to automate repetitive tasks and make more efficient use of their time. However, it is important to remember that AI is only as good as the data it is trained on. The ability to analyze and interpret complex legal and factual issues, as well as the ability to understand the context of the dispute, are still the domain of human lawyers.
Well, that's certainly a relief for us humans. Glad we still have a role to play. To play. Oh darn. I guess you got me. I am a digital avatar too. For more content and interaction with real humans, join ARBI.CITY, the community platform for arbitration professionals.